Here's the best of what the internet had to offer today. This is hands down the best Halloween costume ever. This deer rang this person's doorbell. Watch what happens when they open the door though. It just takes off running. This couple still loves each other. This dog suffers from anxiety, so his owner came up with a cool way to help him out. He started taking him to his lectures, and being surrounded by humans definitely helps. This is the best possible house for hosting a Halloween party. This dad put together an awesome thing for his kids. Look who got lost on this sidewalk.
Holy canola, that is crazy.
How beautiful! Oh, when I look at it, how beautiful!
As this fisherman was working, he had an odd encounter.
Oh my god, I've never seen this before.
Yep, they're not hallucinating. This fish decided to jump on board himself. These firefighters are true heroes, and they're about to save a life right now.
Just want you guys to keep the sauce around me.
Got it.
Hey, that was terrible, wasn't it? Hey, what a no deal.
I didn't do anything. I did a work.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
This dog was real provocative toward the police force. This has got to be the world's dumbest dog, but he still can get these cuddles though.
Come on, King. Come on, King. Come on.
This driver made a terrible mistake by venturing through a blocked road, and now he's completely stuck and helpless.
You said drive through that tunnel right there.
What? Drive through the tunnel? Go back the way you came.
Yeah, go back the way you came, please.
Take a left?
Dad, careful, careful, careful. Look at everybody staring.
Oh, it's okay. Oh,
No.
this is-
Look at all them, look at all them.
They're not. They're all staring.
This swimmer finally achieved one of his lifelong dreams. Look at who's swimming along. 3 bears spotted this Halloween decoration, and guess what? They decided to head back down for a treat in the middle of the night. Have you ever seen a fireworks show from a car? It's really epic, just watch. While we're on the topic of cars, have you ever driven through a flood? Well, watch this, it may help you out in the future.
Canal. Para el canal de Benji Benji, señores.
Look who got stuck in the washroom.
It is alive. I'm waiting on animal control to come get this thing out of here. I don't know if it was just looking for a spa day or what, but it's huge.
This police officer saved an owl's life.
Ya va, está enganchado. Ahí.
Look at these unlikely play buddies. There was mass confusion in the middle of this airport.
Take it for you. There you go.
I will be the last one.
Yeah,
I
let's take
promise,
one. Let's
I
take one.
promise.
As you can see, everyone is taking pictures with what they think is Ryan Reynolds, but it's just a lookalike. Look at who's waiting on him at the door. This woman should have never driven down that street. A bunch of dressed up people decided to pull up on cars to scare them for Halloween.
Get her! Get her!
Look at how this girl decorates her place for Halloween. Pretty sweet if you ask me. Speaking of Halloween, this house is just masterfully done up. This man is finally retiring. He's fighting back tears right now, but he ends up giving in.
First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard American's Flight 2561 to the Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. My name is Jeff Fell. I'm the captain on the flight going to Chicago tonight. I normally don't stand up in front of everybody like this. I usually just stand on the, or I just stay on the cockpit and talk on the PA. And if I get a little emotional, please forgive me for that. But first of all, I'd like to take just a few moments of your time before we take off to Chicago tonight. And I'd like to acknowledge a group of very important people to me that are on board the flight. Most of them are in the back of the airplane, and they're the majority of my family, and who have come along with me on my retirement flight. Anyway.
This has got to be the biggest police rally you've ever seen. A bunch of police cars were involved to track a suspect down. And that wraps it all up for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.